about stories. Story gives feelings to the audience.
We heard a story about a scary crocodile.
It was swimming, and it wasn't moving at all. And it was big. When I say big, it was about from here over to that lounge. It was like...
We saw Japanese kamishiba.
A book with no pictures?
And my head is made of blueberry pizza.
Monster book.
What's the same?
Every year, when the moon is full and the hairs stand up on the top of your skull, a horrible ogre with a horrible face invites all sorts to his horrible...
The boy who cried wolf.
That was so funny! Ah! Get into it, come on, let's go! Oh no! Oh, he's eating Brian! Oh no! Oh, he's coming here! Oh no, don't come here! A wolf! There's a wolf coming!
A camel that changed into an elephant.
No, he's not a camel anymore. What is he?
He's a camelphin.
He is. He's a camelephant. The magic forest. As soon as he closed his eyes and wished, this happened.
Calling them the snare's box.
Mysterious box. A super sour puss leaps out, wow, and lands on the world's most comfy cushion.
Then we chose our own stories. We use our voices. I do need help. I get help. My baby sister's really swell. I love her smile, but not her smell. I was so mad! We did a Oh no. Showed up. Showed up. Showed up. You are not like. No, you are not like. She also wanted to play her piano. Use our bodies. Piano. Dun, 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 dun. Now performance time. Performance time. We got this. There's a hole in my pot and it's dripping everywhere. Oh no. Play basketball, but Grandma said, no, you can't. I was just a man. It's not steaming. What shall I do? Hey guys, here I come. I make him happy. Yeehaw! Can I too? Yes. Clifford and Emily at the vet goes to Clifford's big house. Hey, Biddy, what are you doing? Look at my new toy.